Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The drugs which are used in cardiac patients. Muscle relaxant used in cardiac patient is vecuronium. Intravenous anesthetic agent used in cardiac patients is etomidate. Inhalational anesthetic agent used in cardiac patients is isoflurane.
Summary: the an inhalational anesthetic used in cardiac patients is isoflurane, intravenous is etomidate, and muscle relaxant is vecuronium is used in cardiac patients.
thank you and thank you for watching.